What's happening here in our Myrtle Beach, South Carolina real estate market? Is now a good time to buy or sell a home in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29579 and 29577, or Surfside Beach, South Carolina 29575? With all of the uncertainty going on, what should we do? Well, currently, as of the time of this video in Myrtle Beach, we have 266 active homes and 810 homes pending. These are single-family detached homes. We've had 1,367 homes sold in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina in the past 30 days, with the median price point being $335,000 and the average days on market being 96. Keep in mind though that of those 96 days on the market, 30 to 60 days may have been days in escrow. In Surfside Beach, we have 26 homes on the market. Now this may seem like a lot less, but Myrtle Beach is way bigger comparative to the population of Surfside. Surfside has 147 single-family detached homes that are currently pending. There have been 47 homes that have sold in the last 30 days in Surfside Beach, with a median sales price of $316,000 and the average days on market of 124. So, as you can see, we're still considered to be a seller's market. We come up with what type of market it is based upon looking at what the absorption rate is. The absorption rate in the real estate market is used to evaluate the rate at which available homes are sold in a specific market during a given period of time. It's calculated by dividing the number of homes sold in the allotted time period by the total number of homes available. So, the absorption rate in Myrtle Beach, are you ready for this? 5 days. This means that if we did not add any more inventory, we would only have 5 days of inventory. And in Surfside, we only have 16 days supply of inventory. Anything less than a 6 months inventory level would be considered a seller's market. And anything over that would be considered a buyer's market. So, as you can see, we're in a very strong seller's market right now. I personally feel that here locally in our current market, once we start to see homes sitting for longer than 30 to 40 days, that it means that it is time for a price reduction. We haven't seen inventory levels supersede 3 months in a very long time. Look at the facts here locally in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29579 and 29577, and Surfside Beach, 29575, that we are in a very strong seller's market. If your home isn't selling, there are several reasons why. Price, conditions, location, and of course, marketing. Now more than ever, proper exposure and properly using online digital marketing is essential. Feel free to call me here at Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. I am your real estate digital marketing specialist. And as always, let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.